my channel. I'm Elizabeth, and today's video we are jumping into Christmas, which I'm so excited for. Christmas is my very favorite time of year. I love decorating my home and other people's homes for Christmas. So we are going to get started today in my dining room with my first tree of the season.
Soon everything is Christmas-fied.
This beautiful tree is a Honeywell tree that you can get on Amazon. I will link it below so you can purchase your own. I love this tree. This is a 7.5 foot color changing tree, so you can have either white lights or colored lights, whatever your little heart desires. And if you're like me and my kids, I want the white lights. My kids usually want the colored lights. So there's a setting where it will blink on white for a little while, and then it will fade to color and then fade back to white. So it's the perfect compromise tree. It is priced at under $300 and it will ship straight to your door. It's a very full tree, which I really love, so there's no sparse branches, and it's not huge at the bottom, but it's not a skinny tree either. So it's really the perfect size tree. I love it for my home, and I believe that you will love it too. Okay, let's do all of it, okay? You might have to pull up branches to get the ones on the bottom. Oh, she went back here. Almost.
was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop, when the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on. We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talked for hours on end. And somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on. From this Christmas on. From this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas on, from this Christmas on.
your arms, and for this moment to last, because I'm falling just like the snowflakes tumbling down, round and round, and I'm falling just like the snowflakes, falling for you. I'm falling for you. I'm falling for you. Just like the snowflakes tumbling down, round and round. I'm falling for you. Just like the snowflakes falling for you. Yes, it's true. I'm falling for you.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming